Hello everyone, this is Eric Redjet 505. Yes, I brought two of those at the same time, two different vehicles from Team Corrali. This is the Python that it's kind of look like the Armored Typhon, but it's not. On my previous review, I already did on my main channel, I was showing this vehicle and the other monster truck, the Dominator, and I was super disappointed, and I still is. All I want to tell you guys is how much I'm disappointed from this vehicle. This is going to be one of those honest review. I'm not going to sugarcoat it for anybody. I will tell you what this thing is because I don't like it, and I don't have anything against this company. I don't know them. I did not even try the vehicle, and I'm not going to try the vehicle based on what I see of bad quality. Let's start. Okay, to start, when you try to open the vehicle and you remove the pins, of course, you want to take this thing out, and it's just not coming out because, look, I can fight with that as much as I want. You need to actually tweak it because it's their own size. They literally make this piece their own size when they cut it at the factory. This doesn't usually die cut or laser cut, and this is their own size, so it's not going here the right way. So if you do have one of those, you have to trim it with a Dremel. If not, this is going to break and your car will look kind of ridiculous. And also, this is very, very thin. This is the thinnest body that I ever see. I think this is it's ridiculous. I think the thickness of the paint just make it thicker, but other than that, this is like 1 millimeter. I don't like it at all. Then when you look inside, I was showing it in my other channel and I will show it here as well. Let's start first thing first. Those tires. Those tires look like they're like Alibaba tire for like $10 for tires. This is what it look like. They don't feel good. Look, I can mush them around, no problem. They don't have any good integrity for them. Like the tire itself is kind of like, it's literally like Play-Doh. I really hate it. They put a sway bar that it's pretty cool, but the quality of the sway bar, the metal on it is so thin that it's, let's see, like it's in the air. Look, I'm lifting one side and it's doing absolutely nothing to the other side. It's like, let me do it more stable. It's not lifting or moving the other side at all. The idea of the anti-roll bar when you lift this thing here, when you lift one side is helping with the other side, so it's not gonna flip. It's not really doing anything. It's like, it's kind of like, let me see, is it just bending? Yeah, look how stupid it is. It's when I lift it up, the metal here, okay, pay attention, I'm sorry, let's do it from the beginning. There is a nut here, so this will go up and down, okay? It will pivot up and down if this is going up, okay? When I move it, it's moving a little bit, but the other side moving absolutely zero. It means that this thing warping, I'm warping the metal piece, this supposed to be spring steel. It's not doing anything. It's not moving the other side at all. So it's absolutely not working. It's not doing what it's supposed to, but it's there. It's they put it. The shocks on this, when you put it on the ground and you let's do that. You put it like this. The car, if you put the batteries on it, it will look. I'm just putting, okay, my pinky, my nail. Okay, I'm pushing it down. So with the weight of the battery, this will be about that low, and this is before you even start driving it, when it's need to be that over there. It's already halfway on the coilover, so this is one thing to worry about. So you probably have to open those, put new oil inside. 20 kilogram steering servo, really nice. Actually, the setup here, the 90 degrees, even though the servo is in an angle, 90, 90, 90, everything is good. Waterproof box, pretty good. And then you go to those XT90 with 10 gauge wire, excellent. Then it's going to a 12 gauge wire for the motor, and you're not gonna get enough power. Those are too thin of a wire. This is a complete toy. This is a complete mistake. Should never be like this, but they did that. They engineered, they know what they're doing. I don't like it. It's a complete failure. I don't even understand why company do this. And this is one of the reasons that I don't recommend this. I'm sure that some of you guys that think they know what they're doing gonna bash against me for this. I don't care. Go ahead. I know what I'm saying. You don't. Those wire cannot lead that much power from a 6S, maybe for a 4S, but not from a 6S, not on a 12 gauge. And those feel actually they are much thinner than that. When you squeeze them and everything, they just don't feel right. So this is one thing. So it's 150 amp ESC, that they call it 185, but it's a 150. The motor here, it's a 4-pole and it's a 2050 kV motor, and they took it from the truck. They have the sliding motor mount that they developed for their own vehicle. It's pretty cool. You just open the 2 screws, it's going to move sideways. Very, very simple. I'm sure that you're going to need to remove it a lot of time to fix the gears that inside over there. And let me see something. I'm trying to reach the gear. Yeah, the gear over there, like I think that it's gonna get chewed pretty easily. When you look on the back of this thing, the same sway bar. Let's see if it's gonna do anything here. Again, nothing, absolutely nothing. I will do it with 2 fingers. Okay, so with this going all the way up, this should be here. Okay, this is doing absolutely nothing. So just kind of warping the metal that they look. If I do this, the metal that they use here is a complete joke. It's not doing anything. So this is why when I say something that I don't like, I know what I'm saying. And this is one of those things. Now the problem is not that I don't like it. The problem is the price of this thing. It's another, I think it's a British company, Tim Corelli, I'm not sure. When they came with vehicle, as I mentioned before, we wanted one to do like a testing on it and do videos and cool, and they said no. The company that actually distribute this refused to do that, and now I know why. So please pay attention to what I'm saying right now. All of you guys, even if you don't like me, I don't really care, I'm not your friend. When you go and you see a big channel, main channel, that giving vehicle and giving the vehicle for you for free, they're not giving you the honest review. They got a vehicle for free. I bought this. So they will tell you a positive on the negative because they're getting them for free and they want to keep getting them for free. And then they will offer it for you to get it for free if you like their reviews. So please pay attention. This is one trick of the industry. I own a business. I run my business fair and square. And certain thing I don't like, and this is one of the things that I don't like. Something on a high price point. Okay, this is standing over there with Arma and Kyosho and some of the Tamiya cars for no reason whatsoever. Maybe the electronics is good. Maybe this is like amazing car and I haven't tried. I don't think so. When you look at stuff and you see the quality, you see the softness of the springs, you see all sort of thing around the vehicle, you will say, okay, why it's not thicker? Why it's not better? The frame are super thin. This frame should be on a 1/10 scale, not on a buggy that you're going to jump with. This is my kind of review on this vehicle. Yes, this is a very negative review. I'm not even going to bother putting in the body because it's impossible. Just want you to know, okay? We're not sugarcoating anything. We tell you what it is, how it is, like we got it. Yes, we could do a lot of stuff to make this vehicle better. Why should we? They're selling that it's $450. There is no reason in the world for this vehicle to be $450, let alone that this is not a major company. It will be hard to get even control to get them for parts. Talk to you later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you on my next video. Bye.